here, family. Windstar World Casino, and it finally happened. I finally got the hand pay on dancing drums. Here we go. We're in our bonus. I didn't have a chance to pull out my camera, but I pulled it out now. And we're catching the good part of it now. So we re-triggered a couple of times. And we picked the mystery bonus and got elevated 2 extra spins to 5. That was our last spin right there. So we did it, family. We did it. We finally got our hand pay. Take this beautiful, beautiful pay on dancing drums. I am so mad I didn't get to catch the beginning of it, but we're catching it now. Look at this beautiful, beautiful screen. Thank you, dancing drums. Look at the beautiful coin show. Look at that beautiful coin show. Thank you, dancing drums. And we only put $100 in this, family. So we've turned our $100 into $1,613. What a wonderful, wonderful hit. Thank you, family. We finally did it. So this is off our bucket list. Now we're scratching it off.